So today's sourcing for recipes and development has really blown up in our market. We're having options to buy farm direct. There's a lot of companies that are starting to do that. So for me, my number one thing is to order sample boxes, get to know the person you're buying from. Brokers are hard, so if you can deal with someone who knows exactly what farm things are coming from, it's even better because you're not gambling on what you're purchasing or what the product and quality will be. So number one, that's where I would start with my recipes and development. And then number two is making sure that you're ordering not above and beyond what you're capable of selling, that you're ordering the right product. Sometimes it's a great deal to see, oh, I get 100 stems for X amount of dollars. It might not be the best business strategy to purchase that if you're not selling it. So to always make sure that you can afford what you're purchasing before you buy it.
Thank you for tuning in to Floreology's YouTube channel. If you liked the video you just watched, please give it a thumbs up.
And for more information on Floreology, log on to www.floreologyinstitute.com. And if you want to subscribe, click the button.